Hello GoTube community, this is VIP Nobody coming to you from the outback sunny bush country of Jamaica. Yeah man. Today we're going to be doing a quick video on the unboxing of a PC case that came from Goodwill. It also came through a broker. So let's get to it. Bubble wrap. It's not double boxed, but it is troublously bubble wrapped. Oh, the evils of bubble wrap. Also getting live kitten action here. This one here is Star. She's got a cousin named Ringo. For some reason, they always think it's feeding time. Somebody's going to get squished by a box. This is supposed to be an antec. Yes, antec. It's like $10, $9.99. Plus shipping. It's like 17 or 18 bucks shipping. And it's free of bubble wrap, maybe. Now it's the tape. I just scratch the top of the case. Well, the styrofoam is intact. I haven't heard any broken glass as of yet. It has tempered glass, one tempered glass side. This is the front of the case. And this is the back of the case. There's the top. And the glass is intact. Wow, I am surprised. It's a nice looking case. I'm surprised nobody else bid on it. It's got a magnetic filter here on top. And there it is, free of styrofoam, bubble wrap, and cardboard. Not bad. It's got hinges on the backs. Is that magnetic? Yeah. I was considering making something like that. But it's like $6 for the hinges alone. So, you know, for $10, it's just double the price of what it costs for hinges on eBay, right? So, once again, this is VIP Nobody, your tech on a fixed income PC builder, coming to you from the sunny outback bush country of Jamaica. Yeah, man.